ninth node system is actually focusing the sound energy into one centralized location. The first thing to understand is that right now we're in a 8-speaker node surround sound system where each of the speakers is an individual node. Currently the system is capable of panning sound into 32 nodes. The way that the system has currently been developed, it can take 8 different sounds and simultaneously pan those 8 sounds into 32 nodes simultaneously. Each one of those 8 sounds can have its own trajectory. The main program that's running basically pans the sounds in between the different speakers using an algorithm that was derived by Meyer's sound company back in the 1990s. And so this algorithm pans the sounds naturally so your brain understands or feels like it's really happening in real life. One of the things is actually the delay that's built in there. So there's like a trajectory delay. So amongst while the sounds get panned out between the multi-node speaker system, then instead of there just being a regular tap delay, we've actually built a delay that follows the trajectory, so each tap will follow the trajectory of the sound. The diverse means of creating sounds with digital synthesizers or digital sound production, the high resolution capabilities of those sounds, or the ability to sort of create any extremely multi-timbral sounds, the ability to then sort of emit those sounds or several of those sounds simultaneously into this focused area in the center of the dome. So if you're experiencing ninth node at a festival somewhere, then you might expect to hear some of the sounds that you've been hearing around the ground sort of entering and being used as sample-based stuff. Been working with a few different producers. Adam from Sciatic, and he's a really great producer, also a live sound mixer, and he can definitely wrap his head around this unique style of production for this particular sort of unheard of yet kind of setup. He's been able to integrate a lot of different sounds that he normally works with, being sample-based and also, like I said, sort of digitally created sounds. In the beginning, it was basically just to create a new way of experiencing sound, because I sort of felt like two-dimensional sound or regular stereo sound was kind of like the black and white television. But the Kinect, being able to actually use your body and have it track the joints and the body, kind of gave us the idea that there was probably a lot more to the actual software, and because it works in real time and it has the ability to track you in real time, and the whole entire system with the state-of-the-art audio converters also working in real time is delivering an experience that is directly connected to you and your movements in time and space. Kind of got me thinking that you could probably use it to create music right there on the fly with more than one person. One tracks single person, one tracks multi-users, and one will track a crowd of people sort of like one amorphous blob. I think the real potential behind ninth node could be in a way that we know that our ancestors used to experiment with sound vibrations, manipulating sound vibrations in order to output positive energy with a lot of power to back that positive energy up. It may just be a crazy idea until it's actually something real. And once a crazy idea is something real, like the experience with ninth node, it can actually be an incredible experience, something that you never thought you may experience in life.